like, comment, and finally subscribe my YouTube channel. Get information and knowledge to watch my latest information and knowledge videos firstly. Hi guys, in today's video I am going to tell you how you can solve Kinemaster exporting problem. So watch the video till end and your issue will be resolved 100%. So let's get started. First of all, remove all the apps open at your background. Close them. Good. After that, go to your mobile airplane mode. Click on it and make it active, because due to that your mobile data will be turned off, and as well no call will interrupt your exporting of the Kinemaster video. So like this nothing will interrupt. So make it active. And the last and the final step comes at the setting of the Kinemaster. Click on it, and after that click on device capability information. Then at the right side click on three dots and click on run analysis now. It will tell you what your device accepts as a video quality. It will be either 720p, 360p or 1080p or even 4K. So let the progress begin and do not do anything with it. Just after it export your video and your issue will be resolved. Thanks for watching.